How to make her want you more. If you've ever felt like she's losing interest or just wish she was more drawn to you, this video is for you. Stick around till the end, because I'll be sharing the most powerful tip that changes everything. Let's get into it. Step 1. Build mystery. One of the biggest mistakes guys make is being too available. Women are naturally drawn to mystery. If she knows everything about you from day one, there's nothing left for her to discover. So don't always be the first to text. Don't reveal all your plans and leave her curious. It's not about playing games. It's about keeping her excited to learn more about you. Step 2. Confidence is magnetic. Confidence is one of the most attractive traits you can have. Women are drawn to men who know their worth. This doesn't mean arrogance. It means being secure in who you are. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and speak with certainty. When you believe in yourself, she'll believe in you too. Step 3. Create emotional connection. Looks and money might get her attention, but emotional connection is what makes her stay. Listen to her, ask deep questions, and show genuine interest in what she says. Make her feel understood, and she'll crave more of your presence. Step 4. Have a purpose. Nothing is more attractive than a man who has a purpose. Women are naturally drawn to guys who have a vision for their life. Chase your goals, work on your passions, and become the best version of yourself. When she sees that you're focused and ambitious, she'll want to be a part of your journey. Step 5. Give her space. If you're always around, always texting, and always checking in, she won't have the chance to miss you. Give her space to think about you, to wonder what you're up to, and to realize how much she enjoys having you in her life. The more space you give, the more she'll chase you. Step 6. Keep things fun and exciting. Routine can kill attraction. Surprise her, take her on spontaneous adventures, and add excitement to her life. It doesn't have to be expensive, just creative. Try new activities, change up date ideas, and always bring positive energy into your time together. Final secret, self-improvement. The ultimate secret to making her want you more is to focus on you. When you work on becoming the best version of yourself, physically, mentally, emotionally, women will naturally be drawn to you. Attraction isn't just about what you do for her, it's about who you are as a man. So keep growing, keep improving, and watch how she starts wanting you more than ever.